What the heck is going on, guys? My name is Bucky Roberts and welcome to your very first tutorial in computer networking. And I guess I should probably mention a couple things right now. First, yes, I know that I really suck at, first of all, handwriting, and as you guys are, going to soon find out, I'm really terrible at drawing as well. So, you guys are probably going to have to suffer through that when you watch these videos. And another thing is that I do need to specify computer networking because whenever I was first learning networking, I was like, all right, I'm going to type in networking on Amazon, get a few books, and all of the books were like people networking, like going to meet people, and I'm like, what the heck? So, your first bit of advice whenever you're looking for networking books, make sure to type in computer networking. Helpful advice already. So, first of all, you're asking yourself, okay, what the heck is a computer network? Well, the most simple definition, if you go to college, this probably isn't the definition they're going to give you, but it's pretty much a bunch of computers, all right, a box with a C resembling computers. It's a bunch of computers connected to each other. Alright, so that's basically what a computer network is. And I know that, I drew these awesome computers right here, but whenever I say computers, I don't just mean PCs. And by that I mean personal computer, your desktop, or, your Mac, whatever you're using at school. I don't just mean personal computers. I'm talking about cell phones. Um, you know, this is obviously a cell phone, kind of looks like a gun. You can also have a printer. So whenever I say computer, I mean a bunch of different things. And aside from, just these computers being part of a computer network, you also have other parts as well, as you guys are going to find out. These computers need a way to communicate with each other. And in this little diagram, I'll say this is copper cable, but as you know, there's also Wi-Fi and satellites, and there are a bunch of different parts that make up an entire computer network. So it isn't just the computers themselves, and we're going to be going over everything. So basically, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the copper wire or the Wi-Fi waves. You need this part of a computer network because whenever you connect two computers to each other, they need a way to pretty much transmit data or share data. Just go ahead and write that. So that's basically the purpose of a computer network, because if you just go ahead and connected a bunch of computers, okay, this is pretty cool, but why on earth would you ever want to connect a bunch of computers? Well, the answer is right here, to share information. And you do that, like I said, through copper wire, fiber optics, radio waves, even infrared and microwaves are used nowadays whenever we're sharing data between computers. So, with that being said, what do I mean by share data? Well, that kind of sounds like you're in a school and you want to, send documents from professor to professor, like share important, scholarly data. Well, data doesn't only mean, boring data that you learn in school. It can mean a bunch of different things. The first thing is, of course, like we said, documents. Maybe you have, a paper you wrote and you want to send it to another college. You can go ahead and share documents. But data can also mean stuff like pictures. So let me go ahead and draw a little picture right here. So basically, you can remember whenever I talk about data, a lot of people just think of, documents and boring text, but you can remember, pictures and video, because if you sign up for a data plan, then of course, what's eating up all your, usage? It's the video, it's the pictures. That's what really gets you, and that's why, Verizon is raking in the big bucks right now. So basically, by data, this is what's transferred in the computer network. We have documents, we have pictures. What else do we have? Videos. So we'll put a little YouTube player right here. And what kind of videos? Well, they're on YouTube or Netflix. By the way, I'm going to throw a bunch of fun facts at you guys in these tutorials. Did you know that Netflix uses or is responsible for almost 32, actually more than 32% of the entire bandwidth in the United States? Isn't that freaking amazing? And we'll talk about why videos use so much data. But anyways, these are the different types of data that we can, transfer computer to computer in a computer network. Netflix videos, YouTube videos, which are basically millions and millions of videos of cats or girls putting on makeup. By the way, girls, why do you need so many tutorials on how to put on makeup? You think if you put it on one way, then it's the same way forever. But if anyone has an answer to that, then just go ahead and let me know. Why do girls need so many videos on makeup? I don't know. It's a mystery. And of course, the biggest computer network of all is the internet. So that is basically your very first introductory video. Let's see what we covered. First of all, what is a computer network? It's basically a bunch of, oh, that's embarrassing, a bunch of computers connected to each other. Why would we want to connect a bunch of computers to each other? Well, for one reason, sharing data. And what exactly do we mean by data? Well, not only text documents or scholarly documents, but also pictures, video, and data is meaning a bunch of different things nowadays. So that's basically your very first introduction to computer networking. In the next video, we're going to be talking about, it's pretty much a good way to start learning how to classify different types of computer networks. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.